Question 3. 84 is 40% of what number? So I'm actually going to write this in. 84 is 40% of what? What I do with this one is I use a bar chart. So if I think of this bar as 100, we're looking at 40% just here. We're looking at 60% here. And we know that 84 is equivalent to that 40%. To work out what the whole is, I'm going to see this as there are 4 boxes of 10% here and 6 boxes of 10% here. If I split this into 4 boxes, 84 split into 4 boxes, which is the same as saying 84 divided by 4, we've got 21, 21, 21, 21. So therefore, what we've worked out there is 10% of the original is 21. If 10% is 21, then 100% is 21 multiplied by 10, which is 210. And that is your answer.